Mzora arikugambaho mu kukinga training emazire sabiti ibiri y'abashomesa ba PE omukyanga kya Kigezi ebireri hari Kigezi High School omu district ya Kable. Mzora nashobora ngo bwa hati ministry neza kuteekamu amaani na mnongo mu bashomesa batendekye abarikushomesa PE.
Optionals, because also there is a scare that when you don't get captured, then maybe you will get lost into oblivion as a subject. But that is not to worry, as I take note, and then all this is a negotiation discussion because it comes with a cost, and also looking at how many are they. If you're saying we need all these qualified teachers, like she mentioned, some of the teachers of physical education are still studying to align their profession to teaching.
Ayogiri ashabashomesa ba PE omu kuteekamu amaani omu kushomesa PE kandi n'okukozesa ebintu ebiraba biriho okureebuka ngu bayongyera omu kushomesa kwabo. Ekyagizire nikiija kuyambaho okukyendeza esente nyamwingi ezirikukozesebwa omu kuteeka omu mashomero.
There is a lot of lobbying that is being done. There is a lot of lobbying for anything to be on table. There's a lot of lobbying because everything has a financial implication. But the improvisation that you have trained yourselves in at this workshop, at this conference, which will trickle down, which will be cascaded to the learner and even to the schools to appreciate. And of course, basing on the hinge of this CBC curriculum.
I know the universities are under the national curriculum, the National Council for Higher Education, but still it is under the same Ministry of Education and Sports. My appeal to you is that at least they also change their training that can fit in the new curriculum.
Hajara Dembe or Principal Education Officer omu Department ya PE o Ministry ashoborire ku Gavumenti tiremu amaani mnonga omu kushomesa kwa PE na mnongo omu curriculum agency.
We organized a national orientation training for only PE teachers in 2020 at Luwero, where 235 came. But when they performed, it was appalling. The teacher training institutions had given up producing a real PE teacher because PE was not in action. It was not supported in schools. They were doing it for the sake. And teachers who were enrolling for PE teacher training were doing it at a last resort. They didn't have admittable grades.
Kindly, through you to the Ministry of Education and Sports, consider our beloved subject physical education at advanced level come next year, 2026. For the
I want to report to you that for us, we have already benefited from the fruits of physical education. For us, every Saturday at 6:30, everyone must wake up. Then we join the aerobics. This new has been a little bit lazy, but the rest, we go. So what we ended with is what we do all of us. So we are already benefiting from physical education.
Curriculum wense ya lower secondary school curriculum PE niyo batiremu amaani obwa hati buri mwegi omu senior y'okubanza hamwe na senior ya kabiri nateeka okugushoma okuruga omu mwaka gw'enkumi ibiri abiri n'ebiri.